What's up, everybody? We're back in Studio A with Supercar Street Racing, and Winbridge reached out directly to us to see if we wanted to take a look at this cool little guy right here. This is the Winbridge M31 wireless mic sitting right here. And if you look inside of it, you can actually see two lavalier wireless mics here and then connectors for going to both an iPhone and an Android phone. Now, if you need clear voice, zero dropouts, and effortless setup, meet the M31 right here in front of me. This is a high quality compact microphone system designed for creators, teachers, presenters, and anyone who needs professional audio without the pro price tag. Let's take a look at this today on the channel. Let's get busy. I think we have the mics covered. Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing Studio A. This is the studio that is outside of the main house and where we do a lot of our editing. It is our most powerful editing rig and we do a lot out here. Welcome to our studio. Today we have the Winbridge M31 to show you guys. And the first thing we're gonna do right off the top is go ahead and start listening to the way it sounds. We are using the DJI mic right now. We're gonna move to the Winbridge, but first we have to get it out of the box. And inside of the box, you do find two lavalier mics. It should also work on your camera if your camera accepts USB mic audio, which my Insta360 does, and it is sitting in the wings right there waiting to record for us. So let's go ahead and get out the USB-C adapter. It is right here. I did notice that the mics were charged up to, I think, 90%. There is a digital display on the bottom of this thing that shows you a 90, and I'm assuming that is the charge level. Now all we have to do is plug this into the side of the Insta360. Let's get that done.
I think we have the mics covered.
So we got the M31 microphone successfully mated to the Insta360 X5. We cannot use it with our big camera. We cannot use it with our Canon R5C. That does not accept a USB Type-C microphone input. Only the small mini jack will it allow you to put in there. So we're back in Studio A now. We want to talk a little bit about the features of the transmitter and the receiver. They're both very lightweight, sleek designs, and they can fit directly on your phone with no problem whatsoever, and they're very light. They're both matte black. They look pretty cool. I will show close-ups of them right now. Now they're designed for convenience, no battery packs, no wires, nothing like that. And we're using it right now. You just plug it in, pair them up, and they're ready to record. Now the Winbridge is able to deliver great sound quality with noise reduction as well. So your voice stays clear and front and center. So that means even in noisy environments, it'll capture all the sound without the noisy background hiss and environmental issues. It says it can go up to 160 feet. We will test that because it uses 2.4 gigahertz wireless. Now the M31 has a rechargeable battery that allows you to use it for up to 6 hours. And both the transmitters and receivers quickly charge via USB-C. Now the M31 comes with a rechargeable battery good for up to 6 hours. And it recharges very quickly over USB Type-C. They actually have USB Type-C connectors on the individual mics and on the receiver itself. It comes with multiple adapters also, one for Lightning and one for USB Type-C, which means you can use it on regular computers, smartphones, and other devices that allow USB Type-C audio. You're also going to find handy touches like real-time monitoring, volume control, and automatic pairing. So if you're looking for a mic that delivers lightweight, affordable, pro-level sound, the M31 is a mic for you. So in this next section, I'm going to leave you guys in the studio and I'm going to walk outside and actually test this mic outside where the real world conditions. I'm pretty sure they can hear us. All right, we're ready to do some real world testing here. So what we're gonna do at this point, we got the phone rolling here. We're gonna walk outside of the studio and towards the pool, down towards the dock, inside the house, and do some real world testing. Let's do it. I'm taking you with me. All right, I'm walking outside now. You guys can see that. And I am walking towards the pool. I probably am 50 feet away now, maybe 60 feet from the transmitter. There is the pond. Back to the studio, towards you guys. And we're back in Studio A now. So we did test the real world conditions. We'll know when we look at the footage how that sounded and if we actually made it all the way with no dropouts at all. Now that you've heard the real world performance both in my studio where we have pro sound deadening and outside where we have none, let's go ahead and throw it into Studio B and see how you can get your own Winbridge M31 lavalier wireless microphone.
We might need a few hundred more.
Hey, what's going on everybody? We're back in beautiful Studio B with the Winbridge M31 wireless lavalier microphone. We're actually using it right now. It is on my shirt right here. And basically we have the USB Type-C dongle plugged directly into the computer. It shows up like a regular microphone when you do that, and you can choose it in OBS Studio, which is our program that we use for editing. Now we did give this thing a test on range, and don't forget, when you're going through walls, the range is going to be a lot less than if it was an open area. So I'm not surprised it only reached about 50 or 60 feet through multiple walls. So other than that, it has great sound. I think it sounds really good. It's comparable to the DJI mic that I also use. And there's a picture of it on the screen right now. It is on sale for Black Friday. However, we might not get this video out before then. But go ahead and check out the Winbridge M31. I will put a link in the description to it. Pick one up today. They're pretty cool. We're going to be taking this thing to Las Vegas with us when we go visit Navi on their booth. We got to get out of here right now because we got to finish editing this video.